Namaste children. Today in this session number 28, we are going to discuss about how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers, and we are going to solve some of the problems from worksheet number 6. Children, to find any two or any rational number between the two rational numbers. Here on the number line, on the right side, let us say that we have one rational number. On the left side we have one more rational number. We have to find the rational number between these two rational number. Where is the rational number between these two rational number, children? Exactly in the middle. So how to find out means, let us take the left rational number as x and the right rational number as y. Now to find out the rational number between these two rational number x and y, we have to add x plus y divided by 2. So this also can be written as 1 by 2 into x plus y. So in this worksheet we are going to find the rational number between the two rational numbers. Suppose we have the rational number here 1, 3. So to find out what is the rational number between these two rational number means, what we do here, we have to write 1 by 2 first. What is x here? 1. Y is 3. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is in the numerator. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So answer is 2. Now we have found the rational number between the two rational numbers 1 and 3. This can be told orally, children, but when we have the rational numbers in the form of p by q, then we have to use this method. And also we have to know that, children, between any two rational numbers, whether it is consecutive rational number means one after the other. How many rational number you can find between any two rational numbers means, the answer is infinitely many. We have many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Finding the rational numbers between the two rational numbers is already discussed in the previous videos, children. Now let us solve the problems from worksheet number 6. First main. Correct the following statements. Here, between two rational numbers, we can find only one rational number. As we already know, we can only find not only one, we can find infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So we have to correct the statements, children. I have corrected here by replacing only one with the infinitely many rational numbers. Second one is, between two rational numbers, we can find as many as integers as we like. Children, between the two rational numbers again, we don't find as many integers, we find finite integers, but between two rational numbers, we can find as many as rational numbers. Here integers has to be replaced with the rational numbers. Third question, between two integers, we can find as many integers as we like. Here also between two integers we can find as many rational numbers, so we are replacing integers with the rational numbers. Here cancel, 3 ones are 3 threes are, plus into minus is minus. 3 by 2 is the rational number between minus 2 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. So children, in this way we have discussed about how to find the rational number between two rational numbers under the worksheet 6. first main and second main. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.